Good morning everyone and welcome to another vlog of Indian Travels in New Zealand. I am in Mount Maunganui today. The mount that you see behind me is known as Mount Maunganui. I am in the Pilot Bay beach of the Mount Maunganui. It is so calming and such a beautiful day. The beach itself is quite busy today, lots of activities going around. I'm just staying here for some time today. This is such a beautiful walk. It's amazing how it's so busy and still so calming. Houses around the beach, they are so nice. The other side of the Mount Maunganui, the Papamoa beach, it is mostly the spot for surfing, and of course there are lifeguards, so you can go for trekking or a nice little walk. Someone was also doing paragliding, but guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to find a place to eat and going to do the breakfast. Yes! Behind me there is the Pilot Bay. Here plenty of options for eatery, and here is the main beach of Mount Maunganui. Of course the main beach is much busier. It was very hard to find a parking. Good luck if you are here in the weekend. One difference that you will instantly notice is that Pilot Bay is so calm, and mostly kids who are learning surfing and boating there. Of course the main beach is so busy. Lifeguards are here and most experienced surfers are surfing around. This is a sandy beach, much different from what you find in Wellington. Not sure why all the tents and barriers are here. Maybe because of some event that had happened or is about to happen. I feel like I want to know. The main beach, oh, it is so beautiful. First experience about the beach, salty vapors. Quite cold. If you're a surfer, this place is without a doubt a hub for you. I am not a surfer, but I'm still enjoying the place so much. Once you cross the main beach, behind me is the Mount Maunganui Reserve. I'm going to take a walk. People are enjoying fishing here, as crabs and crayfish are very common in the beach. There are a lot of small islands, as you can see behind me. One interesting thing is that from Papamoa yesterday I spotted an island known as Whale Island, which was shaped like a whale. I wish I would have taken a photo, but I didn't have a camera at that time. Taking a walk into the Mount Maunganui Ecological Reserve, and for ecological reasons dogs are not allowed here. Wow, look where the track leads you to a panoramic view of this beautiful ocean. For some time I got distracted from my goal of eating breakfast, but doesn't matter. We will go and find a nice spot for lunch now. Pronto Burger bar behind me looks really exciting, so I'm just going to enjoy some options there. Love the burger from the Pronto Burger and Bar. If you're here in Mount Maunganui, do try their burgers for sure. I had a wonderful time here in Mount Maunganui. Now it's time to say goodbye to this place. Well, I hope you liked the video today. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, keep traveling. Bye.